So Doge seems to be back on track now as more and more bullish things are happening for it. And in this video, I'll talk about where we are headed from here. So first of all, we are now seeing that things have started to get better in the overall crypto market. And we are now seeing that the market sentiment is now getting more and more positive. And we can see here that the crypto fear and greed index has improved a lot. It has moved up to the 48 level, which is a lot better than last week. And this means that crypto investors are now feeling confident and they have started to invest in the crypto market. And this is exactly why we are now seeing that the overall crypto market is back in the green. And from Bitcoin to altcoins like Cardano and Shiba Inu, almost all coins have been trending very positively during the last couple of days. All in all, things are looking very positive for the overall crypto market after weeks of market-wide meltdown. And I will talk about Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and others in this video. But let's first come to Dogecoin. So we know that Dogecoin has in recent years taken off primarily as a digital tipping tool for sending both small and big amounts of value. And seeing this, Dogecoin co-founder Billy Markus believes that the future of Doge is bright as it is primed to fix the internet. So we can see here that Markus believes that Dogecoin will fix the internet. And he has stated Doge will become the world's standard microtransaction platform pretty soon. So what he is saying is that Doge is the best currency to make payments on different channels. And this is exactly why Doge is going to get massive traction in the near future. And more firms and merchants are going to adopt it sooner or later. And we know that Markus is not the only one who believes that Doge is the best currency for payments. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has openly stated that he considers Dogecoin as the best crypto for making payments, even better than Bitcoin. This is because Musk believes that the total transaction flow that one can do with Dogecoin, like transactions per day, has much higher potential than Bitcoin. Moreover, we also know that Elon Musk has been working with Dogecoin developers with plans of making it convenient and cheap to use for everyday purchases like movie tickets and a cup of coffee. And this means that Dogecoin's transaction fee will get much lower than it is today. And this will help it in getting mainstream adoption in the future. So the point is that as the Internet of Things continues to gain traction, there is a growing demand for real-time payments with low transaction fees. And since Dogecoin has the lowest transaction fee, it has quickly grown as a popular method for enabling frictionless transactions across the Internet. And as I said, this demand for Doge as a payment method is only going to increase over the years, and more firms are going to adopt it for payments. In fact, we can see here that over 2K retail merchants are already accepting Dogecoin payments. And this number is only going to rise over the years thanks to the convenient and cheap use of Dogecoin for everyday purchases. All in all, the future is looking pretty bright for Doge. And once it starts to get mainstream adoption, then we will be seeing massive growth in its price as well. And now, there is another very important update about Dogecoin and other cryptos that I think you shouldn't miss, but I will come to it later. Let's first come to Dogecoin's current price movement. So Dogecoin is trending positively right now. And although we are now seeing a slight pause in its upward movement, I think it is going to continue its positive movement in the coming days as well. This is because Doge has turned most of its technical indicators on the bullish side. We can see here that it is now trading above its 20-day simple moving average and exponential moving average. So as far as Dogecoin manages to hold this position, I think it is going to show some more positivity. However, I'd like to remind you here that this is no financial advice since I'm not a professional financial advisor. I'm just expressing my opinion here, so it is recommended that you do your own research before investing in cryptos. And now, let's come to Shiba Inu for a minute. So we can see here that Shiba Inu is having a very good run for the last couple of days. And it is really good to see that after a very rocky start to the year, Shiba Inu has started to show signs of major price recovery. And the key thing to note here is that SHIB has rallied up way better than some other cryptos. And it appears that it is looking for some additional gains in the following trading sessions. This is because we are now seeing some huge bullish indicators for it. For example, whales are now showing great interest in Shiba Inu, and they have been continuously buying more and more tokens. So according to Whale Stats, the top 100 Shiba Inu holders have seen the average value of their holdings increase by 27% after the price of SHIB skyrocketed in the last couple of days. Moreover, Shiba Inu has consequently reclaimed the most traded token, ranking among the top 10 purchased tokens by whales in the last 48 hours. And we can see here that there is an increase of 583% in the trading volume for Shiba Inu whales and a 55% increase in active addresses. All in all, crypto whales have been acquiring a massive amount of Shiba Inu, and this is going to help it continue its upward trajectory. And another bullish indicator for SHIB is that its burning rate has been increasing day by day. For example, a total of over 56 million Shiba Inu tokens have been burned in the last 24 hours by being moved to an unspendable address. And as of now, with these tokens removed from circulation, the amount of burned tokens from the initial quadrillion emission totals 41%. But this is not it. Owner of Bigger Entertainment, Stephen Cooper has tweeted that his company is going to have a massive burn party for Shiba Inu. He tweeted that the firm is going to sell 1,200 tickets to throw the largest Shiba Inu burn party so far. Although he hasn't mentioned how many tokens will be burned, we can expect that this number is going to be in the millions. So the point is that the Shiba Inu community has been busy burning more and more tokens in order to reduce the initial supply of 1 quadrillion, and this is going to push the price of SHIB far up. And now, as promised, let's come to another big update for Doge and other cryptos. So we know that institutional investors have been accumulating cryptos using dedicated funds for some weeks now. And last week, inflows into crypto funds quadrupled, which is showing us that there is now positive sentiment among investors as the crypto market is going up. So we are now seeing that after recording heavy outflows at the start of 2022, crypto investment funds have seen a gradual uptick in investor demand over the past 3 weeks. And we can see here that crypto funds saw inflows of about $85 million during the 7 days, making it the 3rd straight week of positive net inflows. So this is a very positive thing for crypto space. And if this institutional investment inflow continues to rise in the coming weeks, then I think that it will encourage more and more investors to invest in the assets. And this is why I think it can turn out to be a major catalyst that could help Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and other cryptos to continue their upward movement. And with that being said, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So Bitcoin is currently showing some support around this region. And although it is currently facing immense pressure from the next resistance level around 45K, I still believe that it is going to go past it. This is because the RSI of Bitcoin is looking good right now, and it has also managed to go above its 20-day simple moving average. So these are some bullish moves from Bitcoin that are going to help it continue its positive movement to the upside. Besides, there are some other very positive indicators for Bitcoin that are going to help it move up in the following trading sessions. For example, as per the latest annual report of Tesla, the firm has been holding Bitcoin with a fair value of about $2 billion as of December 2021. And the firm has mentioned in the report that it may increase or decrease its holdings of digital assets at any time based on the needs of the business and on its view of the market and environmental conditions. And it also stated that Tesla believes in the long-term potential of digital assets both as an investment and also as a liquid alternative to cash. So Tesla holding Bitcoin is a very strong bullish signal for Bitcoin that will also encourage many other firms to invest in it. And another bullish thing for Bitcoin is that Bitcoin has become increasingly correlated with equities toward the end of the 4th quarter of last year. And as per FS Insight, this correlation can help Bitcoin to hit a new all-time high at 200K in the second half of this year. And it is also expected that more and more investors are now going to invest in Bitcoin. And if this happens, I also think that Bitcoin can hit a new all-time high this year. And if Bitcoin manages to do so, then I think that it is highly likely that Dogecoin will also move up and maybe hit a new all-time high. This is because it has a very high price correlation with Bitcoin, and I think this correlation can turn out to be a massive catalyst for Doge in the future. In any case, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think both Bitcoin and Dogecoin can manage to achieve new all-time highs this year? Let me know in the comments section below.